Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Martin and I wanted to show you an ebook for the Founding Framer project. It's on your Pathfinder. It's down under ebooks and it's right here in Milestone Documents of American Leaders. There is a link and you should be able to directly get to it on campus, but if you are asked for your password, especially if you try this from home, username and password's right here. So this is from a company called Salem Press. So what you see are all the ebooks we have with them, and the one I'm speaking of is right here, Milestone Documents of American Leaders. It's perfect for this project because it has some of the key players in American history. I haven't checked if all the people available for your assignment are listed in here, but hopefully you can find the majority of them. So I'm going to search James Madison as an example, and I found this source to be the most useful, so the original analysis. And what this is a combination of both secondary and primary sources within these pages of the ebook. So you can sort through and look at the analysis. It's nicely organized with some of his key moments in American history, also some of his key speeches. So you can sort through and see what is the most helpful to you. And then you can look at the primary sources down below, which are right here of these document text. So this is great to be able to just insert his words into your presentation. So all these different things are helpful. Obviously legacy and impact is going to be huge to get you started. And then there was here we go. Questions for further study. I thought this was nice because it digs deeper, and from what I've seen with these presentations in years past, the groups that always find unique speeches or just discover moments where these leaders were in history that sort of made all the difference, those are really powerful. So I was reading here and it talks about right here. So the question that they're saying to further study is when Madison, even though he was initially opposed to the Constitutional Bill of Rights, he became a leading proponent, and he sort of addressed those ideas in the 1789 speech to the House of Representatives. So you can easily Google Madison 1789 speech of House of Representatives and find the full text of that document. I got lucky though. I noticed down here there was a 1789 speech. It didn't say 1789, but I was able to match the text with the document I found online. So obviously you want to sort of double check. This isn't the full speech, so you might want to look at the full speech just to set the scene, but at least this source gets you started. And if you just want a snippet of a primary source, it has a few to choose from. So great resource. It's all in one place, all the information about Madison, and then those primary sources. Lastly, you have the citation. So it's all here. It's also a little cleaner at the top, the MLA citation. So again, it's an ebook. So if you're using Noodle Tools, you'd want to select book or digital book, however it's formatted, and then you can see the title, the pages we use, or the chapter maybe, James Madison, from Milestone Documents of American Leaders, and it's from a company called Salem Press. So hopefully this can be an additional resource to the databases, maybe some of the books listed on the Pathfinder, and any other sources you choose for this project. And please come by and see me in the library if you need further assistance. Thanks, guys.